First autopsy. Insulation box.
The first suspect. Victim, actually. We had just opened it up over the weekend, or last weekend, and found a whole bunch of dead bees on the bottom board, so we're getting in to see if we can find out what went on with them.
Just gonna collect them until I can find my whitewash container. And
Oh my, oh yeah, whole bunch of them. This is the bottom screen underneath that quilt box that was right up on top. Whole bunch.
next winter we'll use thinner screen. Get into the quilt. Official squish'ems.
None of them are obviously the queen just yet. But, and I don't think we've seen her, so it'll be interesting to see if where we find her. I mean, between the quilt box.
This one's got its tongue sticking out.
Aww. Poor little lady. Alright, well, that I can just do by the compost bucket later and keep using that.
Oh no. There was no SEMA? See a green dot on the ground anywhere? The wings look good.
Yeah, there's... Oops, now that I got it focused. Grab ya. Yeah. But right, there's zero wing damage. They don't look like fragile or chipped or anything. Here, now you can see that better.
Doesn't look like a lot of them, don't see any mites on any of them.
No. Looking very clean. A bunch of them are just caught like mid-crawl. Like, oh. I don't know how many you want to collect for sampling, just as many as we can get in there. Okay.
Yes, we had left them a full honey super.
Right.
Almost full.
See how it looks now. Looks like they got into some of it.
So there were also a lot of cappings from what little scraping we did.
Yeah.
Oh no, I wonder if it's nosema. In our first year, not sure. That looks like a lot of bee poop.
Yeah, we kept watching for them for their hygiene flights, and they never really came out. Yeah.
I got a bunch in there.
Oh. That's weird. I know where that is.
Mm-hmm.
Oh. I found the queen.
Mm-hmm.
And she looks okay too. For later.
Bizarre looking in there.
Yeah.
The bottom.
Right, because there's something in that side, but I don't know if that's...
Yeah, that's just left. More in there. Yeah, they're definitely opening up the honey and eating it.
Yeah. It was like they started from the bottoms and the edges and got into it.
Yeah.
That one not so much, but...
Yeah, again, some
This weird dark
weird coloration.
stuff on the bottom. It's a clue.
More discoloration.
And it's all just on the...
I wonder if that's no SEMA.
Mm.
No. While being gentle like they're alive.
I know. It's respect.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we'll just have to come back and scrape them all cleany clean. Well, the honey we could still leave in there for the new hives we're getting in, but gotta clean all their potty spots off.
Yeah, they're definitely eating.
Yeah.
I
No, like were these
dead bees in there?
I know, like why are they going back into there?
Because they're eating honey.
Because they were eating the honey and they died eating the honey. I was just thinking, like, there was no brood up this high. There was barely any in the bottom.
Yeah, 'cause there's a ton of cappings.
Yeah.
They're
Oh.
definitely mowing away at it.
Yeah.
But
well, that's good. At least it was...
They didn't starve. We left them with plenty of resources.
Yeah, and there's still a ton in there. That's just so odd. They're so deep burrowed into all the little comb. That is bizarre. Like finding them with their proboscis out and right. Was it a freeze that just overtook them?
It's a nasty cold.
Right. Well, and that's the worst part is, you know, it sucks for us that the weather is unpredictable, but for these guys, like, they have no idea what's going on.
But the only thing we didn't show was taking off the reflecting strip.
Oh, yeah. Yep, still had some mite treatment in there.
The Varoxan strips that we left because the fall was incredibly warm and then cold and then warm.
Right. But yeah, I still am not really seeing any kind of mites.
They still have nectar.
Right.
Some of these.
Well, that's why we need you guys. Tell us what we're looking at. Well, that at least makes sense why there weren't so many on the bottom. Because they were all up here, just going about their business.
Yeah, no, that does look like mite holes. But I don't think so. Did also find yellow jackets in the hive.
Yeah. About 4 or 5 of them. But no, like, torn apart bees near the yellow jackets, so it's hard to really know what happened there.
Hard when you're scraping them out from the entrance.
Right.
This is a heavy frame.
Like, you can see there's still nectar in it.
Mm-hmm.
Still nice and shiny.
I'm gonna have this scrape off this wonky comb.
Yeah.
That's something for another time.
Yeah. I think that was...
I had a comb avalanche.
Yeah. Clearly identifiable that they had really gone to town on that part.
Mm-hmm.
And there's the other part of it. On the neighbor frame.
Another really light frame. Still, like, they're still putting nectar in right up to the end of the season.
Yeah.
Yeah, I had a visitor in here.
Oh.
Made some trails.
Mm-hmm.
But I think that was from when I saw that one small hive
Hive
beetle
beetle.
and I squished it.
Yeah.
This one's pretty heavy too. And there's the other half of that trail.
Oh yeah, just that right there. They had some nice little pollen stores too. Peppered around. I know they were still visibly foraging for a long time.
Still look good. There goes the doggies running off.
That's fine, then they're not in your ear whining. This is still super full of honey. Got a couple that were just hatching or trying to. But
No, those are their butts. They had their heads in there.
these ones?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, that is like untouched on this side. Other than those two. Yeah.
So we'll get this done before dark.
It was nice, and the geese are coming back, but it is still chilly. Ground floor. Just not a lot of brood. I mean, it's cool to see all the other stuff that they still had in here. It's nice and glossy. It's just not what they needed. Mm-hmm. Oh.
Yeah, this is definitely one of the new frames.
Yeah.
Ooh, we had a couple started, huh?
Are those queen cells? Haha, I was right.
But they are empty, so they were just practice.
Yeah.
Jack scored on that.
Yeah. think I remember putting one in that was more empty to try to encourage them to build it up more. But it did not work. Mm-hmm.
That could have been on his way up top.
Right. Yeah, really not, other than those 4 or 5 little trails so far, not a lot of evidence. Well, and other than the yellow jackets we found in here. Not
One right here.
here. Ooh. Nope. Yellow jacket.
Another yellow jacket.
This is green on you. It's just paint.
Didn't look like mites.
Couple of them over there.
Yeah. a few in here.
Oh, yeah.
But I don't know how many of them here were before winter from all the treatments throughout the year because
We almost always had something going.
yeah. Some of the bottom board ones aren't going to be a good determination.
Right.
Alright, well, that is it.
First hive autopsy. Let us know if you know something that we don't.